young loco.
I'm loving this.
Julie, you got the beach jumping.
Right?
There's the bride. Here comes the bride. Julie, Julie, Julie.
You got a worm?
It's a caterpillar.
Oh, cool. It's gonna turn into a moth or a butterfly.
Probably a moth.
If you think of two qualities that really do speak to Mike, it would be commitment and loyalty, and I do mean that. Growing up, Mike was probably the most committed of all of us. Academically, finished through scouting, while the rest of us would give up. From a loyalty perspective, Mike would show up anytime you needed him. Literally came to Venezuela twice for me, but it's like a super ridiculous trip, right? The guy's committed and loyal.
Okay. What are we doing it? Now we're doing it, Devlin.
We need to get another.
Okay, get that.
All right, your bride. What are we doing? Everybody.
Everyone thought you did a good job. Everyone. Love you. There's a book out there called The 5 Languages of Love, right? And I definitely believe Julie's love language is time spent. She doesn't need to be showered with gifts or compliments. She needs a man who wants to go to the beach with her, to share quality time, to feel loved and appreciated and seen, and Mike definitely does that for her. My money on my mind. It's gorgeous.
Every wedding.
Girl, he's gonna see you out this window.
He's out there.
Oh, they're taking a picture of you.
His mom's brother. Okay.
My mom.
Oh my goodness. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
I'm so happy for this. I'm proud of you guys. Hold each other strong together. And do it.
This guy.
Love you, Ricky.
Bride and groom. Okay.
Present.
I love you so much.
All right, our official man who's going to get married today. Washing station.
Okay, do you guys want to have the sunglasses on?
We'll take his shirt off to eat.
Yeah, let's do that.
Yo, take your shirt off because you're about to be
Take your shirt off and we're ready.
Take your button.
Just take the button down off. Just take the button down off.
Alright, so right now our couple is going to have their first dance.
The one girl was like, they did your makeup, and I was like, no, I just wake up like this.
Everybody say pepperoni.
Jason, Dominic.
Everybody look at the bunny. Where's the bunny, guys? One.
I don't know, I can't see it.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I'm gonna cry.
You got mama.
Happy you're in my frame.
These are the one on the phone.
Wait. Let the presents get ready.
Get this. It's a great day to get married.
Yeah.
I'm going. Don't mind me. I'm just here for the party.
Why wouldn't you write your own vows?
He says he has this, but they're not actually great.
You want to hear him right now?
No!
No, we should just go downstairs or go outside.
I said that, but it's fine.
Oh, there it goes.
Maybe we can go with my please.
Beautiful girl, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
On 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and they just got married. Let's be happy for them. You guys want to?
Came at the perfect time.
2, 3. Good job. Awesome.
Continually change.
20 more minutes, I'm back up in it. Oh yeah, till you miss it. Keep on doing it.
Go that way.
Yeah.
Oh, so
Jared,
where I
go
walk
run
down
and get
then?
the shoes. Come on.
We'll wait for you.
Oh,
And keep on walking till you find a window. It's cold out.
You want like a la carte pasta?
Wow. There she is. There's the bride.
The skinniest I've ever been.
From behind you. Your dress is black.
Happy Dublin!
Ooh, there's a little outside area.
You guys are two peas in a pod, I'll tell you that.
You ever see that Seinfeld episode where he dates himself?
Two
That's
peas
what
in
I'm
a
writing.
pod. All your
You guys are two peas in a
I don't know,
pod.
you should be doing pickle dogs, bro.
You guys can give it up for Davey and Chelsea.
Thank you so much for coming. This is amazing.
One of us is getting married. There we go. Looks gorgeous. That does look good.
Tuck it under.
I can't wait to be a part of this.
Okay, be careful with the hug stuff. We don't want to. We don't want to smear.
Live. Laugh.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay. You don't hold that.
Hi. We're just casually going to the beach.
After so long. I gotta get out of the way.
Love you.
Okay, so
How do you feel?
Married.
But I would like to take 1 second and honor my mother and father with the cheers.
Oh, there's the groom. Watch out.
She's telling you. Just like listen. Just like
We got Ricky on the backup.
How's it going? You guys ready for some beers or what?
rides are cool too. We love rides.
We were there for 7 days. For 7 days, Scorpion, a face tattooed apparent drug dealer, was out front of our resort for 7 days. We had to like sneak Mike out the back, like get in and out. That's
This
what
has nothing to do with us getting married.
Correct, yes. So,
Okay. Great idea. Okay. 1, 2, 3. They just got married.